Hello video passionates, welcome back to my channel. If you're my long-time viewers, it's so great to have you back here with me. And to all my new viewers, a big and warm welcome to our growing community. My name is Janet and I'm truly excited to have each and every one of you here. The goal of today's video is to unleash the updated and exciting new features that CAPCUT has to offer us, the users. If you are new here and you love what I do, please support my channel by subscribing, hit on the notification bell, like and share. If you have any question regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my channel, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. And if you have a request for anything at all you want me to do, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will definitely attend to you as soon as possible. So let's begin. To gain the full access to everything I'm going to be talking about here today, I will encourage you to update your CAPCUT to the latest version. That way, all these features I'm going to be talking about will be available for you to follow along in this tutorial. Now, the first thing we are going to be talking about is auto cutout. When you open up your CAPCUT, usually our interface is a bit different today because right to your top right corner, you can see this arrow. When you tap on it and you expand it, now CAPCUT has added a lot of features to it, both on the desktop version and even on the mobile version. So when you tap on it, the arrow is going to collapse and then you are going to see the available option. Now let's tap on this cutout, this auto cutout. Usually what we know that auto cutout does is to help us to remove background. That's when you are working on projects and you want to change your background. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch this video that is up here to see how you can change your video background in CAPCUT. But in this case, this auto cutout is like a template, already made templates that CAPCUT has made. So all you just need to do is select your pictures or whatever video you want to use and then you add. So let's see how it works. Tap on the auto cutout and now select any image that you want. You can as well select videos. Once you are done selecting, then you tap on next. So now instead of having to do all this animation manually, CAPCUT has already done the template for you. So you can choose from any of the other templates. Once you choose on, you can from here either export it, or let's assume you want to add more features to it. You don't like the music but you want to change the music. On it you can see edit. Just tap on it again, then tap on this edit more. So it's going to open the project in the real CAPCUT place. Now we can see what they really did here. If you tap on that clip and you tap on animation, see the animation they use, slide up. That's the animation they use. If you tap on any one of them too, if you tap on this and tap on animation, they also use slide up. So this way you can actually see the behind the scene of that template. So if you want to add your own animation, this is when you can now add your animation. You can change it and do anything you want to do. Let's say on this one, let's change the animation to maybe this. So you change it and you can add filter if you want to. There are various filters here. You can adjust the brightness, you can reduce it, adjust it. Now once you are done with that, you can even add more pictures by tapping overlay. You select pictures or videos, you add it again to play with it. You can add text. Let me undo that. You can add text as well. You can add anything. Please subscribe. In my case, this is what I want to type. Then you change the color. Here you can change your font. When you tap on this, you change your font. You change it to any one you want. And you can also use text templates right here. Tap on this for text templates. Choose from any of them. You check it. Then you tap, add your own text to it. Anything. Then just adjust it to what you want, and you are good to go. You can also do auto lyrics for this song. Let's assume you want to get the lyrics of this song. All you need to do is under here you can see auto lyrics. Tap on it. Then create auto lyrics from the audio. If the audio is inside the video, you can create the auto lyrics from it. So just tap on start. It will generate the lyrics. You can see the lyrics has been generated. So once you are done with all your editing, I don't think there's anything I want to do again. If you want to add Canva to it, but you can only add Canva is better when you've already exported the video. That way all the videos are in one place. So but if you want to add Canva, just tap on it, tap on color, choose any color you want, and reduce the video. Because this one is on top already, it's really difficult. So once you are done uploading or exporting your video, you can add Canva to it. I will try and show you once this one is done. So once I'm done, tap on this one, increase the resolution so that your video quality will be enough. Then you export.